Alright, here's a quick video on my 2005 Jeep Wrangler TJ in reference to the bottle jack. Just help some people out with its placement, how it goes back in or how you get it out. Saw some comments on some other videos about people having trouble. So the very first thing you want to do is take off this strap here. You're just going to pull on this strap down, get it off that hook, that retaining clip. Depress it, swing that out of the way, and you can take this off if that helps you out. And then I saw bottle jack, people were having trouble with the bottle jack getting out, and it's because it's actually pressed out. So you want to depress it by spinning this to the left. You're depressing that bottle jack, and then now you have room to pull it off that support down there. And then your lug wrench or your breaker bar is simply a Christmas tree clip right there. You pull that out. Here you go. And your extension bags, or your bag with all your extensions and whatnot, are in here. It's just simple Velcro on both sides. And you're out there. So to put that back in, you would just Velcro yourself up. Here you'd start with your breaker bar and your clip. And on your jack here, the yellow dial is going to be up. You have that slot there to mount this to, right down there. Rotate it so it lines up there. And now you're going to turn this clockwise. Extend your bottle jack. And you want there to be tension so that this thing doesn't make noise while you're driving down the road. So hook it up on the Christmas tree side, send it over, and then you're just getting it down underneath that hook. There you go. There you go. Your bottle jack's in, the dial's gonna be up, you're gonna be mounted here on this little tab, and your lug is right there beside it, tight, and your Velcro bag right there.